Degenerative disc disease is a common condition and one that may render a person unable to work, but it is also one most commonly denied long-term disability claims. Insurance companies often argue that degenerative disc disease is simply a normal part of aging and not a true disabling condition. But that doesn't mean you don't have a valid claim. Hi, I'm Leah Small, a partner at CCK Law. Today, I'm going to discuss what you need to know about filing a long-term disability claim based on degenerative disc disease, including why these claims get denied and how to build the strongest case possible. Before we begin, be sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more LTD content. Degenerative disc disease is a condition where the discs between the vertebrae of the spine break down over time. It can cause chronic pain, nerve compression, limited mobility, and other debilitating symptoms. However, insurance companies often argue that it's simply a normal part of aging, that imaging alone doesn't prove you're disabled, and that claimants are exaggerating their symptoms. The key in filing a long-term disability claim is to connect your diagnosis to specific symptoms and resulting functional limitations. When submitting a long-term disability claim for degenerative disc disease, you should include imaging results such as MRIs, CT scans, and X-rays to help establish your diagnosis. But as we mentioned earlier, insurers want to see how your degenerative disc disease actually affects your ability to function, not just that you have the condition. Strong evidence that you should include with your claim includes detailed treatment history and records, such as physical therapy, injections, medications you take, surgeries you've undergone, as well as functional capacity evaluations to objectively demonstrate your level of physical impairment. You should also consider including physician reports that go beyond your diagnosis and address your specific symptoms and the limitations that result from them. If there's nerve involvement with your degenerative disc disease, you should include objective evidence of that, such as EMG results or nerve conduction studies. Depending on the terms of your LTD policy, insurance companies evaluate whether you can perform the duties of your own prior occupation or any occupation. Important limitations to document with your LTD claim include an inability to sit or stand for extended periods, restrictions on lifting, bending, or carrying, as well as difficulty with concentration due to chronic pain or medication side effects. Your doctor should explain your applicable limitations in specific, concrete terms. For example, if accurate, they could write something like, "Patient cannot sit for more than 20 minutes at a time due to back pain." That is far more useful than "patient has back pain." As we mentioned though, these claims are commonly denied by the insurance companies. Common denial reasons can include arguing that the condition is pre-existing, claiming that the medical evidence does not support the level of impairment alleged, pointing to gaps in treatment or periods of reported improvement, and surveillance or social media activity used to contradict the claimed limitations. It's important to be consistent. What you tell your doctors, your insurance company, and what your day-to-day actually looks like should all align. It's also important that you don't ignore treatment. As we mentioned, gaps in care can give insurance companies ammunition to deny your LTD claim. If your LTD claim is denied, don't panic. You should review the denial letter carefully to understand the asserted reasons for the denial. If your policy is employer-sponsored, ERISA likely governs your claim. This means you will have a strict deadline to appeal, which is often 180 days. This also means that the appeal is critical. It's your opportunity to strengthen the record with additional evidence in support of your claim, and is likely your last chance to do so. You should consider working with an LTD attorney to assist you with your appeal, as once the appeal decision is made, the record is generally closed if the case proceeds to federal court. Degenerative disc disease can be a genuinely disabling condition, and a denial from your insurance company doesn't mean your claim lacks merit. It often just means you need to build a stronger record. If you need help with your long-term disability claim or appeal, our team at CCK Law may be able to assist. Since 1999, we've been helping claimants go up against big-name insurance companies. We know what they look for in a successful claim and may be able to help you too. Contact us today for a free case evaluation, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more LTD content. Take care.